Namaste. Amisha Khushroo Bitiya. I'm JVL Professor Manju Sharma. Program name Ahmed Third Sem. Subject name Curriculum Development and Comparative Education. Module name Concept of Comparative Education. Comparative education is the comparative study of educational theories and practices in various countries. Comparative education attempts to use gross national data to test propositions about the relationship between education and society and between teaching practices and learning outcomes. Comparative education provides reference for reforms. The study helps students to improve the education in their home country. Comparative education helps students to acquire better understanding of education system of other countries and borrow some aspects for better improvement of education at home. Education is the process of facilitating learning or the acquisition of knowledge, skills, values, beliefs, and habits. Educational methods include teaching, training, storytelling, discussion, and direct research. In most regions, education is compulsory up to a certain age. Characteristics can include level of educational development, goals of education, forms of education administration, institutional fabric of educational institutions, or contextual characteristics such as political organization, colonial history, cultural origin, or level of development. Generally speaking, the development process of comparative education can be divided into three stages: method references period, factor analysis period, and social scientific method period. They describe educational system process or outcomes to assist in the development of educational institutions and practices, to highlight the relationship between education and society, to establish generalized statements about education that are valid in more than one country. Challenges facing the study of comparative education. Objective introduction, challenge of definition, challenge of comparability, the challenge related to method, challenge related to subjectivity of analysis, challenges related to culture and language, challenges related to the dynamic character of education. What is comparative education? PPT. Comparative education is a full established academic field of study that examines education in one country by using data and insights drawn from the practices and situations in another country or countries. Private education is a discipline in the social sciences which entails the scrutiny and evaluation of different education systems, such as those in various countries. Professionals in these areas of endeavor are advancing associate terminology or guidelines for education worldwide, enhancing educational structures and producing a context to with the success and effectively of education. Programs and initiatives can be assessed. Comparative education is often incorrectly assumed to exclusively encompass studies that compare two or more different countries. In fact, science, its early days researchers in this field have often such approaches, preferring rather to focus on comparisons with a single country or time. Still, some large-scale projects such as have made important findings through explicitly comparative macro-analysis of massive datasets. Recent examples in this regard include studies analyzing teacher education. Many important educational questions can best be examined from an international and comparative perspective. For example, in the US, there is no nationwide certificate of completion of secondary education. This raised the question of what the advantages and disadvantages are of having living such certification to each the states. Comparative education draws on the experience of countries, show how to centralized system works. Comparative education is closely allied to and may overlap with international education, international development education, and comparative sociology. While in some countries, comparative education is fully established as a distinct field of educational research. In others, it might best be regarded as an interdisciplinary field that brings together scholars from diverse specializations. For instance, specialists in math education, social studies education, various art subjects may develop research designed to enable meaningful comparisons between national educational systems with a focus on their specific subjects or area of expertise. It follows that comparative education research can examine schooling historical, holistically, and globally, or may alternatively focus on the status of particular subject area in a specific region of the world, thereby benefiting from subject area or regional expertise. Each approach may have characteristics, advantage and disadvantage. Maigret and Julian de Pairs in the history of comparative education is commonly referred to as the father of comparative education. Education is the process of facilitating learning or the acquisition of knowledge, skills, values, beliefs, and habits. Educational methods include teaching, training, storytelling, discussion, and directed research. In most regions, education is compulsory up to a certain age. This powered this session by digital version 2.0. Have any query? Write in comment box. We'll resolve your query. Thank you.